you looking at?
Is it
Which pair are you looking at?
G? I'm actually looking at G right now.
Okay, let's just do analysis fast. So I started paying attention in something now these days, you know,
Okay.
from this monthly time frame, how candlesticks perform. I normally look at it like
Okay.
this is Bitcoin monthly. So you notice that in May, Bitcoin closed. May is last month. This candle engulfed this one. This candle engulfed this one in May. So showing that Bitcoin is bullish, but this engulfing candle, I be bearish. Bitcoin is bearish. So this engulfing candle here on May is showing that this Bitcoin is supposed to sell hard, but we will see how the month will end anyways. So I just mark the monthly high and low.
Okay.
Just level it. Like last month, May low and May high. I just level it. You know, all these things is for you to just know market direction. So this is monthly. And this monthly, the things you see here is this place will be a strong resistance. At the end of the day, the market will respect. All this week, you know, but let me just pay attention within this place because market is still trading within there, you know. So on weekly time frame, what will we see? Market was selling, then came to this May low and rejected it and formed this hammer candle. You can see it a bit. You first of all rejected it here. Then last week it rejected it again. You know, this should have been a very nice entry. Just enter the trade here. As this week opened, Bitcoin is just going up. Bitcoin is just going up. So is there anything we can mark out on this Bitcoin? So we look at this place.
Okay, this high now is the monthly high and low.
Huh?
This high now is the monthly high and low.
And this is monthly high. And this like last month, May high and low is what I marked, not this month.
Okay.
See the candle I marked. This is May candle. I marked the high, I marked the low because market did higher high. See the high, see the low. So that's why I marked it. So market came down there this month, you know, tested it first, rejected, tested it again. Now it's going up. This would have been our good entry because these two rejection, 1, 2, we would have entered it, you know. So this place, let me mark this place because any day market forms there, you can see that this place is a very strong resistance here. Now we mark it, though market is not doing anything around there, but let's just mark it weekly resistance. So looking at this market now on this weekly, we see that Bitcoin is bullish at the end of the day. This thing is just higher high. This is higher low. We might go up to go and do another higher high. Or if we reach this May low, we might drop. But this is a higher time frame, so we keep on going down. So on daily time frame, we see what was going on here. Market consolidated here. We have all these impulse. Market started dancing around here. Then later break out, make a higher high. The market came down. It didn't break. You know, we started dancing again. and then finally we broke out. This is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low. I mean, this is lower high, this is lower low. So looking at this on monthly time, what is it called? This is our daily time frame. So this is our, yeah. So this is our lower low. If you put it, sometimes if you confuse you put it on line chart. We have this market was dancing around, or we couldn't break this last higher low, right? Then we broke it here. Finally, this is higher low, right? This is lower low. So
that's lower high.
Lower high, sorry. So this is lower high. This is the last lower high on daily. But we are not doing any entry on daily. So as we did on weekly, all we have to do is to just mark, look for a supply zone or demand zone to mark. And you can see one here. So you just mark it. You see, you just label it. All these things, you just label it should in case daily is now a demand zone. Demand zone. You understand, Abby? We have support here, we have resistance here. The market have broken it. Then we go down to 4-hour time frame.
Wait, still on that daily, You can still see another zone there.
Coming. You can see what?
Yeah, on this daily time frame now, you can still see at that lower low, before where you marked this white zone. Yeah, before it, looking to your left, before where you mark that white zone.
Okay.
In between. Yeah, go to your left a bit. Yes, this one here, that is looking like a break of the what's it called, neckline structure for double top. Below.
Yeah.
Yes, around that area, but come to your right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are done with this place now. Market have, and this place too is a demand zone too. This place, if you want to mark it, if you just serve as a demand zone, you just mark it.
Okay, you are just marking where it's relevant.
Where is relevant to our trading now?
Okay.
So all this pattern at the end of the day, they lie to, they are just students to market structure. So market structure is the most important thing. So you can mark it and call it daily supply zone, daily demand zone. So this is where we want Bitcoin to retest, because all these things now are impulse. Once market retest, and this is our trend line. This is an impulse. This is our trend line now. Market will come to, and if you see now, you see that these two things almost, even if you don't want to, you just put your trade here. Put your stop loss below here. And target this place. We are not taking trade on daily. Let's still go down to 4 hours and see what's going on there. Like you can see now on weekly, you are bullish, right? We are bullish. On 4 hour, we are bullish. So then on 4 hour, our SMA is 66. is below. So we are bullishly bullish. We are bullishly what? Bullish. We are bullish to deal with anybody. So looking at this now, all you have to do now is to just sit on your hands and wait for market to come to you.
Back to you.
Wait for the market. So what we will now do now is to wait for this market to yeah. Once it start pulling back, we will look at this place. You know, at the end of the day now, for entry now, but this is where our solid entry will be because we trade breakout and retest. So once market comes here, you know what to look out for, right?
Yes.
So what to look out for once market comes there is number one. That is when you will now go to 1 hour time frame. You will now go and look for
your candlestick pattern, momentum or exhaustion.
Yes. So you look for this candle. So this is the candle, like these candles are reliable for me. And this candle.
That one you sent to us, right?
Yes.
All right.
Or this candle. This candle is anyway you see this candle at anywhere you see this candle at resistance or support. Okay, look at they give good this thing here. Let me just screenshot it.
Okay, they give the illustration.
Yes. So even if it's not like, hey, there is where I see this thing. I see this thing on GJ yesterday. I will show you. I saw this thing on GJ yesterday. I will show you. I will show you that 50% on GJ yesterday. Okay. Yes. So this candle is very powerful. Even that AUD card is evening star. Evening star doji candle. Let me show you. So this candle now, and this is why I shorted GJ yesterday. It played out to some point.
Yes, it did.
It sold. So this is the candle. This candle is wonderful. I will show you. So if you are looking for entry, we have done our analysis now, for example, on Bitcoin, right?
Yes, please question that one too. Okay. Yes, we have.
I'm coming, you ask your question. So we will look at this candle now. This candle, for example, look at it. Let me just go straight to 1 hour to show you. Anyway, let me start from monthly. So here, exactly the same thing we are doing on Bitcoin. I marked May high and low. This is May low. This is May high. This is candle in May. You understand, Abby?
Yes, I understand.
So May high, May low, May high. Then this is weekly time frame. Okay, look at this morning star. You see this morning star candle. Hope you see it will always move like 90% of the time. Once you catch it on, see as market retested on monthly May low, form this is morning star. You can see it in our distance. I will show you all this thing. You can see it here, this one.
Yeah.
You know. That peep is a big peep because this is weekly time frame. If you check this peep, it will be up to 100. Let me check. You see, this is 127 people. Just looking at this, knowing your strong areas. So you can see the market pumped here. So on this weekly time frame, I didn't mark anything. This is giving us engulfing candle. Then on daily time frame, this is why I love marking all these things. I love marking them. You know, this is support, this is resistance, this is resistance. That is why I label it daily supply zone. Daily supply zone, right?
Yes.
Daily supply zone. Then here, support, resistance. I think it's on 4 hour. I mark this.
The green one.
Yes, let me check. So it's on 4 hour. This is just this is a 4 hour. It was a demand zone before because we have support, resistance, resistance. I support, resistance, support, resistance. So this thing now, as market touched, where this Morningstar candlestick works, I show you this thing is hammer. The first candle I opened, we have bullish hammer and bearish hammer. Let me look for bearish hammer.
Yeah.
I want this to bearish hammer. Where bearish hammer is opposite of, okay, don't open. These people demand, which kind of candle is this? Bearish hammer is just opposite of this. As this one is pointing up, if it's bearish, now this week will be up. But it's always more wonderful to take it from 1 hour, but 4 hour is still okay. So on this place now, you see this hammer, this bearish hammer, even though the candle is green, but this is a bearish hammer. And most importantly, things that happen on higher time frame is liable. That is why I focus on marking my higher time frame zone. So look at this monthly high, market came there, printed this. If maybe you are looking at 4 hour, this is where you will enter the trade here.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Like this is you now catching the top, Then on 1 hour time frame, this is why I wanted to show you this thing. So which candle are you seeing on 1 hour?
Evening star.
Exactly. You see how neat and clean it is. Like if you can be patient to wait for all these things, wait for them if you wait for them at what is it called?
Your key zones.
As your key zones. See how this thing is. Very beautiful trade. Very beautiful.
And you won't even trade with anxiety.
Like if you are shorting or longing monthly, all this higher time, you won't even share. You see this our daily supply zone. It came there, retested. This one come look like this thing again. Market keep on. Just these candlesticks is very important. It's funny sometimes SMC traders though they don't look at all these things. Their own is to find other block, but these candlestick patterns count. Because all these things we give you, once you enter a trade, instead of the trade to start running around, like these things will show you that I am ready to do what?
Exactly.
I'm ready to move. And you see, we even have 1 hour divergence.
Yes.
Right? So this trade is a bomb. So that's how I call this trade. Then if you look at this place now, I don't know why I mark this white line. We have started having This thing is making a double bottom here.
Yeah, double bottom.
Then it's diverging here. So to just take this trade now, all we just need now is really simple. I think this is a higher time frame. This thing here is a higher time frame, this thing. I think quickly. So all I will do
Okay.
is to just mark this. You know, I told you guys on Friday that this our market is just based on price action. Like all these
Yeah.
English we are speaking, all of them is based on price action. If this market, for example, comes up here, if this market comes up here, break this, retest, and give us one of these candle I showed you, we just target here. Price action.
Yeah, it might not even get there. There should be a trend line at that upper region.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can put trend line here too.
Yeah, yes. So it has done break and retest.
If
you're on 30 minutes now, if you're on 30 minutes now, it should have done like a break and retest. You just need a green candle for a confirmation that is actually a retest.
Exactly.
Taking it to the side.
So that's just it. So here now, you don't do anything. You leave the market and allow it to breathe. You let the paw breathe. So that's that.
1 hour candle is actually legit.
Like there's no point, for example, now taking trade here.
No.
1 hour candle is when you have got to, all these things we did here was analysis. Then
Yes.
came to 1 hour and noticed that market, because whatever you see on Monday, this is May high, where candle on May drops from. So it's a strong zone. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So Bitcoin, we are still doing Bitcoin before I digress. What I was trying to talk on Bitcoin is our area of interest is this and this. So if we come to this place and see a reaction and that candle I showed you, your target is May high, or come down this place, you see that candle, but this is far. So on Bitcoin now, anybody that is looking anything on Bitcoin is looking for trouble. So we have done our analysis and we have seen that Bitcoin is bullish on weekly, bullish on daily, bullish on 4 hour. So we don't leave this one go. Hello?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay, cool. So on UJ, you see how I just mark all these things? My chart will even look like a chart of somebody that gets sense. So if you look at this UJ is fine. So this is May low and May high.
May low, May high, yeah.
And looking at this USD, there is videos I will upload so that you guys will watch it too. I want us to focus more on price action, because at the end of the day, what will give us money is
This price action you normally talk, is it market structure or candlestick pattern?
Price action, just the simplest this thing is, price action is like, we will call it structure too. Price action is the movement of the market, because it's the movement of the market that gives you money. If you enter a trade now, it's until that market moves So knowing price action is knowing where market wants to go to. So more or less it's a structure.
Because somebody was saying that he normally put into consideration market structure and price action. So for me,
structure, yes. If you see a lower low now, to
that
me,
is market structure.
Market structure is market movement. I mean, market price action is market movement. How market is moving.
Okay.
Then how candlestick is all these things are price action. How did candlestick reacted here?
Okay.
You know, yes, all those things are market are price action. So here now, looking at USD JPY, you see that it's very, if you are looking at the macro, this thing is bearish or monthly. All these things are retracement. So that one is fine. So what I'm interested in now is to mark where make sense. That is last month. This is last month high. This is last month low. Then I mark this place because market came up here, dropped. Came up here, dropped. Then came up here again, dropped. Came up here again, dropped. Came up here again, dropped. You can see, then break it, came down all the way from here, then this place hold it. So I just mark this place because this place is I just call it monthly supply zone. It's a very strong zone for me, this place. Showing online, I didn't check line chart though. Nothing is showing online chart. But do you understand what I mean? Any day market comes here, market must respect it. For monthly candles to respect all these things, market must respect it. So the only thing I did on this monthly is to mark my May low, May high, mark this. You know, you use your common sense at times when you come to the market. That is why I mark this, you know. So that's that. We move to weekly time frame. There's no need drawing. You are not an artist. So drawing a lot of lines on your chart doesn't make sense. So on weekly time frame, we see we are bullish. Because
sorry, this MS is it May supply? This MSC is it May supply?
This one?
Yes.
I just mark it monthly supply now. The thing I showed you, I just level it so that if I look at it, I will know what I wrote.
Okay.
Yeah. So here now, you know, on monthly we are bearish. This is full monthly this thing. But here we started doing, we did this lower low, right? Did this lower high. You know, sometimes we are trying to read meaning into the market. Sometimes there is this major structure and internal structure. You have this lower low, lower high. The market didn't make another lower low, you know, then we make a higher high here. I will call this higher high, higher low. We make another higher high. You see? Do you understand what I just did here?
Yes.
Good. So this month, which is June, we have broken this May high, right?
So this month should be a demand zone.
It will not be a demand zone, yes. So we have this week that is here. I marked it. I marked this week because sometimes market respects week well. So I just mark it. I just mark it to serve as a
as a speed break on the road.
Yeah, I just marked it to see how market will react at it. Because to me, it will serve as resistance since it's on weekly time frame. Everything on weekly time frame are reliable.
Yes, including daily too. Yes.
So I just marked it Then here is the last weekly, this May high is the last weekly higher high.
High.
Yes, higher high, higher low, higher high.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yes.
looking for the market to come down here to respect it.
Yes, sure.
Respect it, or if it didn't respect it, nothing concern us with anything market is doing. Price action is waiting for this market to come down here. If we
Yeah,
see
sure.
a good candle, long, Abi, or we wait
Mm-hmm.
for market to break it. When market retest it, if we see our good candle, we do what? We short.
Short.
So, but we are still on weekly. But on weekly, we see that we are bullish. Daily time frame.
Yeah.
You go to daily time frame. Daily time frame. You see, market is respecting that which are marked on weekly.
Yes.
They here yesterday. To me, there is another thing I used to do intraday trading. I used to know what market want to do. Like this thing that happened here now. Let me show you.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you three things.
Okay.
Market, this is a resistance. Market printed this engulfing candle, right? What did market do? Market dropped. Abi?
Yeah, market drop. Yes.
Market came to this May high. Printed this. Market did what? Market
It
dropped.
dropped.
I'm
Yeah.
still trying to know how valid. I'm still trying to know how valid this thing is. So,
Which one?
like this thing I'm trying to show you now. I noticed that once we have an engulfing candle, bullish or bearish, as we have this engulfing candle yesterday, I don't need to
Yeah.
go to 1 hour again. What I just need to do is to put fib on this. But we will see. We will use this and GJ to see how valid it will be. So this thing now, if you go to lower time frame, you will see that this thing now will be a break of structure, this engulfing candle. Like if you are an intraday trader, just mark your resistance. Once market form this engulfing candle there, you know that the market wants to form. But this thing is not a it's not a financial advice. So
Yeah, I understand.
don't try it at home. So let's continue with what is right. What is right here is that this is a higher high. This is
High.
higher high. So we are looking for this thing might be our low, higher low, but who knows? Let me put fib. In our fib will be from point A to point B. They just the retest is not valid because this is just 23.6. Then we come down. You see how this chart looks clean? Like you are not trying
Yeah.
to force anything.
This is what I'm still trying to perfect. Like this is what I'm still working on. Because
So
my
that
chart is
you will be looking at things that are valid, not going to 15
exactly.
minutes to look for your head. At the end of the day, these things now will give you peace of mind. If you enter a trade, you have peace in your soul, you know. So on this 4 hour now, 4 hour is bullish. So we looking for any short now will be a counter trend. You know, this one now is valid. This 4 hour is valid because he made this retest to receive, but there is no trade. There is no trade for me. This is last 4 hour high. You can mark this thing.
Yes.
Can you see evening candlestick pattern here?
Yes.
You see how mark it will always drop first. You see it. This one is the 50% old. You know, when we are checking this, you see they have 50% and they have
Yes.
full. You understand? Sometimes people will be like, but this one did not engulf this one.
I do that sometimes.
It is still valid. So learn it today. I will thank God we are recording this. So we can still
Even
check.
myself, I attended Mike's call this morning.
Mike.